Hello, hello, hello. I just want to thank you subscribers. Thank you so much for coming and listening to the videos, being here. I just so appreciate you. Okay, so what I like to do is give you something, and you know why? Because it's my birthday. It was my birthday Wednesday, and this is Thursday that I'm recording it, okay? So now, it was great. I really enjoyed my day, but now I gotta give you guys something. And it's a free ebook of my book, I Will Not Grow Weary. I will not grow weary, Lord. No, though sometimes I do. Woo! What can I say? All right, so now if you want the free ebook, all you have to do is go to my website, MarquitaWaters.com, and fill in your information, okay, with contact, and then write in it the message, book, okay? And I'm going to send it right to you, okay? All right, thank you so much. I just appreciate you. Woo-hoo-hoo. So look, have a wonderful rest of the day, evening, whatever it is for you. Always remember to do what you love and love what you do, okay? Love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. Oh, I didn't hit record. Take 15, okay, and we're recording. Okay.